What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. I just finished these LED vanity light bars. In this video I'm going to show you how I made them. Check it out. So my fiance came across these on Amazon for under $20. It comes with a basic instruction. These would be the adhesives to mount the vanity lights onto a mirror. It comes with 10 plastic bulbs. Super simple, super lightweight. The controllers are for cool settings and warm settings, and they dim. They're all attached with a USB cable, which I like because you can use any USB charging block that you might already have. The base of these LED lights twist, which ends up retracting the wires so they don't have to be left loose, dangling. Fairly simple design. I can dig it. So I'm fabricating these out of 16 gauge steel sheets. We're cutting out circles for the base of the LEDs. It's about 3 inches wide. I spaced out the holes evenly for the amount of mirror that we're using. It's time to clean up these steel sheets so I can get them ready for painting. The backing of these bars are going to be made out of MDF. Cutting them to the width of the stainless steel front panel, which is about 3 inches. At the moment that I'm cutting these, we are actually using the CNC machine for other projects, so I actually have to build a router sled. The whole point is that this piece of metal is going to go over this. So it doesn't matter what it looks like, but it looks good. Now it's time to assemble the LEDs after I've disassembled them. I attached the base already onto the MDF board, pulled out the wires, and I have to attach the LEDs back onto the bulbs. Now we just put the bulbs back in and retract the wire so it's nice and tight. Here is the end result. I'm super happy with the finished product. It's nice and clean. It looks awesome in the salon. If y'all have any ideas, suggestions, you want to buy these, hit me up, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.